Hi guys, so I'm just going to be doing a quick review for you on this, which is a vegan apricot crunch bar, and I'm going to tell you a bit about it. So it is gluten and wheat free and dairy free as well, and it's 18% protein, so it's sort of a protein bar as well, so it's great for when you're working out and stuff like that as well. I've tried this particular flavour and it's delicious. It's apricot. It tastes really like flavourful. All the naked food products taste very, I'm saying naked, but it's naked. Naked. It's N-A-K-D. Naked. So hopefully I'm pronouncing it right, guys. All the flavours that they have, these little bars, are very, very flavourful and delicious. They've got like a whole bunch of different flavours, so whatever flavour you like, you can pick. They really filled me up after working out as well, so I normally eat one of these after working out and they taste so good and they give me so much energy as well. This one's got raw fruit and crunchy nuts as well, but it's kind of like, it's biteable, so it's like, it's soft yet crunchy at the same time. It's 100% vegan. There's a different flavour, so you can have 5 different flavours a day. Not 5 different flavours a day, you can have one each day, a different flavour each day. It's 30 grams. It's also vegetarian as well, so it's vegan and vegetarian. They smell delicious as well. The packaging is really nice as well. It's really smooth, the packaging, and I love that you can tell exactly what it is from the packaging as well, what fruit it is. Very colourful, pretty packaging. This is actually not my favourite flavour. I actually like the strawberry flavour, that's the best one, and the chocolate one as well. But I will do a video on those as well. But I love these naked bars, nacked bars. Sorry, I keep butchering the name. I really would recommend them, especially if you're having these after or before a workout. It just gives you a boost of energy. It's kind of like an energy bar for me. That's what I use it for. That's what when I normally snack on these, or when I'm super, super hungry. But I like to have them after a workout because it's that added little bit of protein, the 18% protein in here that is really great for after workouts. So yeah, let me know if you guys have tried this, or if you haven't and you really want to try it. I can recommend the strawberry and the chocolate cocoa flavour as well. Let me know what you think of these, and if you know if there's any other kind of vegan protein bars or vegan energy bars that are great for post-workout and pre-workout as well. And I'm also looking for a really good vegan protein powder as well, so if anyone has any recommendations, please recommend down below in the comments section. Follow me on Instagram at Bobby's Food and tag me with hashtag Bobby's Food to be featured, and also tag me in your photos as well. So add a little tag and I'll see you, and I will pop up your photo on my Bobby's Instagram account. I've got a whole bunch of like really great vegan and vegetarian photos up there, and if you guys want inspiration for meals and stuff like that, it's a great place to look, or it's just great if you want to peruse through food porn. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, I'd really appreciate if you guys could put a little thumbs up,